Hi everyone, Saki here and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Chanel unboxing. I'm so excited for this one. You guys probably already know what this is. I only think I had one Chanel item on my wish list this year and I was able to get my hands on it. I will tell you all about the process and how I was able to get this bag after I unbox it for you and share with you my thoughts on it. Spoiler alert, I already opened this bag and I'm kind of on the fence about it. I literally go back and forth on it like every 10 minutes, so you're gonna have to help me decide what to do with this one. But yes, let's just get into the unboxing. I always repackage the boxes so poorly. I'm so bad at like doing the ribbon and stuff. All right, so here we go. Comment below if you have a guess to what this is, but I'm sure you guys already know. All right. Alright, so here I have to reveal to you guys the highly coveted, the oh so popular Chanel heart bag from the 22S Spring Collection. Oh my god, this bag is so freaking hard to find. So let me go over the details of the bag with you first. This is the large size, which I was super shocked about when I opened it. I thought they maybe made a mistake because this is very tiny in my opinion. This is my Prada Odette heart bag, and look how much bigger the Prada bag is compared to this one. So I can't even imagine how small like the medium and the mini size are. I'm not going to do a what fits in my bag and that kind of thing. I'm actually going to be comparing these two and like what fits in a video coming up, so please stay tuned for that. Hopefully it won't be long until I do that, and I will be able to share with you some of my thoughts on this bag as well, you know, after I've used it for a little bit. So this is in the pink color. Obviously it did come in a few different colors this year. I believe there was a black, gold, blue, and purple and pink. So the features of the bag are that it has this beautiful like classic flap design in the front. So you just unclasp it here and then there's a little pocket. On the back of the bag there is the little slip pocket. Oh, and this is the tag in case anybody wants to see. Alright, so what is really cool about this is that the zipper has a CC heart as well. And then of course we have the classic chain. So it's basically like a classic flap, but in the shape of a heart. How cool is that? All right, so when you open it on the inside, it is very small. There are two slip pockets, and then there is the little serial code chip thing, and yeah, that's about it. The inside is fabric lined with these pockets being leather as well, and then of course this entire bag is made of lambskin leather. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the color. So you guys know I just returned my Valentino Rockstud tote bag that I got from Fashion File because the color was too bright in my opinion, and now I'm showing you an even brighter bag, so I'm going to sound like a hypocrite, but okay, so I at first was really shocked when I opened this bag. I literally was like, I just was shocked. For some reason I was expecting a bright pink, but not this type of bright pink color. This is more of like a highlighter neon sort of pink, and yeah, I was kind of overwhelmed by it when I first saw it, but then after I got used to it and I, you know, put it up to some of my outfits and dresses, I actually don't mind the color, and I actually do think it's a great summer color. It is a crazy pop of color. Like, it literally pops and stands out in every single outfit. I will show you a few examples. I've taken some pictures so that you can see, but I do think that it goes with a lot more than I thought it would. It goes really well with florals. It goes really well with like edgier outfits. It goes really well with like my favorite 90s styles outfit. I don't know. I just think that I was surprised at how much this actually goes with the outfits that I have in my closet. So yeah, I think that's really awesome. Honestly, as much as I love, you know, the shape and everything of the bag, because of the color, I'm still not like 100% sure that I'm keeping this. I actually bought this from Neiman Marcus Chanel, so I have 14 days to think about it. And of course, I could always just keep it and, you know, sell it later if I decide that I don't want it in my collection anymore. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with it. But for now, it's like 80% keep, 20% return in my head, which is super shocking because I just did not think that I would like this color that much. And I'm also a little bit worried about the fact that although I do really like it for summer, I don't think I'm ever going to wear it during like the fall and winter. Yeah, maybe during the spring, but you know, for the most part, I just think that this is way too bright for a spring color. I mean, that's just my opinion. That's another thing that I'm kind of on the fence about. I'm like, do I really want to keep this bag if I can only wear it for one season? But at the same time, I'm like, this bag is so unique. Even if I only get to wear it for one season, I think it'll still be worth it. So I don't know. Let me know your opinions down in the comment section down below. So let me tell you about how I got this bag. So I believe last year this bag debuted in the Chanel runway show for spring 2022, and everybody was going crazy about this heart bag. Right away when I saw it, I contacted my sales associate at Neiman Marcus here in Denver, asking to be put on the list if they ordered this bag, and she said okay. And then a couple of months later, she actually confirmed that I was on the list, and I was at the very top of the list, so I was very excited for that. The store only ordered one in each color, and I think they only got pink, black, and then one other color I can't remember. So I was super excited that I was on the top of the list for my store here in Denver for the pink one. However, a few things happened. So I actually, like, the more that I saw these pictures online, the more I kind of was unsure about the pink colorway because I just wasn't sure about how bright it was going to be. So I kind of changed my mind and wanted to be put on the list for the black or the gold one, but by the time I changed my mind, it was really too late. Both of my sales associates here in Denver and then also the one that I have in Las Vegas said that there's so many people on the wait list that I probably wouldn't be able to get a bag if I wanted one in those colors. So I just decided to keep my name on the pink wait list. However, then my sales associate actually left the Neiman Marcus here in Denver. So I was really afraid that I wasn't even going to be on the list anymore at all because she had moved to another store. However, she actually moved to a Neiman Marcus in Vegas, and she was able to secure me a spot once again in the waitlist for the pink heart bag, which I was so grateful for. So yeah, I was able to get it. I just literally can't believe my luck. I thought now I had to pay over the phone and without seeing the bag first. Or no, she did send me one picture of the bag, but I didn't get to like inspect it or anything. So I just paid over the phone for it, and then it came a few days later in the mail. Oh, and I did want to share with you the price of the bag. Oh, here. So the price was $5,500. Whew, a hefty price for a seasonal bag, but honestly, it could have been worse. Chanel prices are getting so crazy right now, and if you do find the smaller sizes, the price does go down from there, but I think, you know, even the biggest size is already small in my opinion, so I don't know if I would even go down to any of the smaller sizes. So yeah, just a quick reveal and unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of this bag. Please give me your opinion, help me decide. As you can see from, you know, just comparing it to all the bags in the background, comparing it to this heart bag that I have here, it is by far the brightest bag that I have in my collection. So let me know what you think. Is it worth it if I only use it during the summertime? Do you think that this bag will resell well in the future, especially in this color? I really want to know your opinions, so leave them down below for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the what fits in my bag, and I'll probably give you a few more first impressions and things like that coming soon. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!